So this is going to be a very short vlog. Okay, so what this vlog is going to be is about me replacing the roof rack. It's not in its pristine condition. So what I'm doing is I'm going to my friend's place and getting it replaced by not a wrap but a black glossy PPF. And I've seen it on another car and it looks really great, and let's see how it looks on my car. And there she goes for a PPF job. So I just dropped my car at Fast Track. This is a place owned by a good friend of mine, Moses. Unlike the normal PPF, which is transparent, this is a gloss black PPF, which is gonna be amazing. Alright, so I am back here at Moses' place, Fast Track, Topaz. I cannot believe how amazing my car looks right now. Alright, so before I show my car, I wanna show the guy who did it. I am completely lost for words for how my car is looking right now. Damn. Okay. 3 years ago I have done ceramic, but now I kind of wanted to do something different, so I've done wrapping on the top of the car. It already had wrapping, to be honest, but it just got a much better wrap now. So. Okay, so this is what I have done. If you remember earlier, I showed you the older wrap, which looked hella dirty. Now this is the new wrap. Look how shiny it is. Look how glossy it is. Look how shiny and glossy it is. Oh my god! I can't stop. I can't stop looking at it. It feels like a brand new car now. This one. This is a black gloss PPF, and this looks so much better than a normal glossy wrap. I'm blown away, man. Really nice job by Moses. Ooh, also, there's another friend of mine's car over here. Let me show you. I think he's also done. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm not sure if. Oh, yeah, even this has. Look at that. Jesus. Some good stuff, that is. Now I don't feel like taking the car out anywhere because it looks so neat and clean and whatnot. Macha, tumba chanagi madidya. Amazing work. If you're seeing this video, Topaz, man, Topaz. What's up? Also, there's a sweet looking Vogue over there. God damn. The stance and the heft of this car is what the fuck. Ooh, and also there's a Mini Cooper there. I think that's John Cooper Works, if I'm not wrong. JCW. Yeah, thank you. Aapka naam kya hai?
Javed.
Thank you.
Sir.
And I'm done. Look at the gloss on that thing. Okay, that looks good. That looks good.